Hello everyone, I'm Naveen. Today I'm going to explain about the project which I have done as a part of Spark Foundation. The title is Exploratory Analysis of Global Terrorism. Uh, so here is the data. Here is the packages which I have loaded, which is required for the analysis. Mm, and then here I have read the data set using the built-in function from the radar package. And then we can see that there are around 135 columns and around 181,000 rows. So it's a huge data set which we have. So what we can do is you can actually filter some of the columns which are required for the analysis because if there are too many uh, datas and if there are unwanted datas which is available in the data set, it's better to get rid of those data. Mm, so here you can see that I have considered the columns that are required for the analysis. So I have selected a few columns which are required for the analysis, and then you can see that I have changed their name so that it can be readable and understandable, so that event ID. So these are the names which I have given to the particular columns. And here you can see that I have checked the NA values in each columns. So we can see that there are 0 NA values in each column. Also, I have considered the years which are actually greater than 2000 because I'm actually interested in looking at the dataset, uh, the terrorist attack which has happened recently from 2000. So terror over time is a variable which I've created. I've stored it by grouping the year, and I've summarized it. So here what we can find is you can see the terrorist attack over a period from 2000 to 2016 from the data set. So here we can see the terrorist attack is in the year 2014. So you can see there are more number of attacks the year 2014. As you can see, it's greater than 15,000 compared to other years. So here I have written the code to find out the terrorist attack on different regions. So I've plotted the graph as well. So with the here in the plot, you can see that the maximum number of attacks are in the region that is Middle East and North Africa, and the second position that is South Asia. So these are the two regions where the maximum number of attacks have happened. So coming to the next one, where the terrorist attack by country code. So here I've written the R code, which includes the country code that is lesser than 500, because the maximum number of attacks um, have happened between the range from 0 to 300. So you can see that at the position between 85 to 100, in that range, you can see at the position 90. So there is a maximum attacks which have happened at the country code, that is 90. So coming to the next one, where you can see the terrorist uh, used different attack types. Um, mm, so here I have loaded that variable and I have grouped it as attack type. And here you can see that maximum attacks are done using the mm, bombing or explosion strategy. The other one, they have used the armed assault. These were the two attack types which were used maximum during the attack. So the conclusion is after exploring the data, we can see that there is a huge uptick of terrorism in the most of the recent years. And also we can see that the regions of the world with the highest amount of terrorism in the world are the Middle East and North Africa and South Asia, with sub-Saharan Africa coming in a far third place. Most of the attacks are done by bomb or explosion and armed assault types. Thank you.